Hey everybody, Chef Lorious here. Today in Calibama Cooking, I'm going to show you how to make a grilled cheese sandwich using Jam Vino. So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of depth about the grilled cheese because I got a good video about that. You'll catch that. But I want to talk about this Jam Vino. All right, so let's get started. First things first, going to go ahead and get our butter going in here. And I'm using brie today, spreadable brie, along with blackberry merlot. This is one of my favorite flavors of Jam Vino, and most people don't even think of a grilled cheese sandwich as having jam on it, but that's why I'm here to elevate your senses. Now, while the butter's getting ready, I've got some spreadable brie. If you don't know how to find spreadable brie, or if your market doesn't have it, just buy a regular wheel, okay, a brie wheel, all right, and leave it out so it gets nice and soft, and then you'll be able to spread it just like this, okay? So we're going to do that. Now we're going to put this in our pan. Butter everywhere. Woo! That sizzle, y'all. It's all about that sizzle, okay? Now we're going to go in with this good jam, blackberry merlot. Now you can make this sandwich with any of the flavors that we have of Jam Vino, but this is just one of my personal favorites, brie and blackberry merlot. Look at this. This is a seriously elevated grilled cheese sandwich. There you go. I'm just putting this in there. Just like so. Oh, I can taste it already. I'm going to do a little bit more. I probably should stop, but y'all know I overstuff everything, right? So, I mean, why not? We're here now, you know? Okay, make sure the heat's on good. Okay, there we go. All right. And then we're going to top it with a little bit more of the brie. So we kind of sandwich the jam in the middle. Just a little bit like this. Just a few drops on the top. Ooh, because it's nice and soft. Okay, just like so. And then we're going to take our bread and we're going to let those two get real comfortable together. We'll give them some privacy. While our sandwich finishes, a couple tips: make sure your cheese is room temperature. All right, it melts quicker. Make sure your butter is nice and hot, and make sure your bread is nice and firm. Okay. All right, I believe she's finished. Oh, she got excited. She wanted to stay in the pan. Here we go. Now, when I take a grilled cheese off, I like to let it breathe for a second, okay? Because, you know, you want to make sure that it's ready and you don't want nobody cutting you open right away, okay? So let's just give her a quick second. Oh, man. The jam, y'all. Okay, that's enough. That's our quick second. I'm going to cut this open. Do you see that? Can you see what I'm looking at? Ooh, okay. The brie, the blackberry merlot. This is not your regular American cheese grilled cheese sandwich. Brie, merlot, do anything with it. You know what I'm saying? You can do Gouda with Havarti. Any of the cheeses, mix them together and put them with a jam, and you've got heaven right here, an elevated grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, this is my favorite food from a child, so I'm going to hurry up and go so I can eat this. How will you Jam Vino? Tell me what you come up with. Have a great day and happy cooking.